Yo, pioneers, what's good, Python? If you're KYC'd, mainnet ready, and tired of your pie just chilling like when utility, today's the day. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to swap your Pi network token to Solana right inside the Pi browser and then send that soul straight to your trust wallet. Clean, simple, no funny business, no scams, no bro, trust me. Just real pie moves for real pioneers who want to unlock liquidity, explore DeFi, and take pie off the couch and into the fast lane. If you've ever said, can I actually move my pie? Is this mainnet or nah? How do I breach pie to the real crypto world? Then, pioneer, you are in the right place. Smash that like, join the pie fan below, and let's turn pie into soul the smart way. Let's mine value and not just pie. Now, to the main part of today's video, swapping Pi for Sol. Now, to do this, the first thing to do is navigate to your Pi browser. Once Pi browser loads, click on this arrow, drop down to expose the URL. On the URL, go to piswaps.com. The URL will be provided in the comment section and on the screen as well. Now hit enter. This will bring you to this DEX. It's a DEX that allows you to swap your Pi to BTC, ETH, SOL, and mm, other tokens. Now to get started, you click on the get started button, and once you're here, click on the P2P. Now you will get to this page. The next thing to do will be to authenticate your wallet. Now you let this process for a while. I have successfully logged into my wallet, and as you can see, I have about 7,946.25 Pi, and as well as an available balance of 6,972.67 Pi. Now in this video, we are swapping Pi to Sol. Now to do that, all you need to do is click on the BTC down here. This will enable you select what token you want to place in that position. And for this, we'll be picking Solana. So we'll pick Sol. Now after doing this, you provide a quantity of Pi that you want to swap. Because I want to swap exactly, I want to get exactly two Sol. So I would click on the Sol part and then provide two there. And after doing that, as you can see, my gas fee is pretty small, 3.905 pi. That's what I'm paying to do this transaction. Now the next thing I'll do is click on the swap button, and I'll allow this to process for a while. Just give it some time. And as you can see, we have successfully swapped 1301.66 pi for 2 Sol. Now the next thing to do is, as you can see, our balance here for Sol is 2. The next thing to do is now transfer this swapped token to our we want to move it to our trust wallet. Now the next thing to do will be to click on the send. Once you click on the send, make sure to select the token you want. And in this case, we're picking Solana. So now once you've selected that, the next thing to do is to go to the page, sorry, go to your trust wallet rather, and then copy out your soul address. Now click on this search bar. You can select soul directly from there. Click on soul. Now we have our soul. We click on the receive. Now once you just get to this place, the next thing to do will be to copy your address. Copy the address there. Once you've copied the address, you move back to the Pi browser. On the Pi browser, just paste your address, the address that we've copied already from our trust wallet. Paste it in here. Now after pasting it, the next thing is I'll click on the max This is to allow me transfer out the entire Solana that I have. You can also provide memo if you want to, but for this video I will not be doing that. So I click on the transfer, and this will take some time to process the transaction. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred to Sol to our Trust wallet. Now we'll go back to the Trust wallet and confirm the transaction. And as you can see, the notification just came in, so I can click on it, and then it will take me to the transaction. And as you can see, this is 2 Sol that just came into the wallet right now. And guys, I hope that this video has been helpful. I hope this has been able to show you how you can easily swap your Pi into Sol without stress and a safe way on the Pi browser directly. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, please do not forget to subscribe, smash the like buttons, say good stuff in the comment section. You're allowed to. This will help the video gain more traction, and allow other people to be informed when we release new content. Until next time, always stay safe.